Meanwhile, another man accused of murder, Allan Agababa, was also in court today, and comparisons were made between the Agababa and Torre murder cases. It boiled down to the fact that while both are facing murder charges, only one of them, Torre, has been able to get out on bail, while the other, Agababa, has been stuck in prison since his arrest 2 years ago. Prosecutors say Agababa murdered his own mother inside their Tamuning apartment by drugging her, then striking her head with a blunt force object. This is not the first time Agababa has tried to move for his pretrial release. But with another accused murderer now out on bond, Agababa's defense attorney, Curtis Vandeveld, was able to draw that parallel in his argument for his client's release. After all, why should one accused murderer be able to get out, albeit on house arrest, while another continues to rot in prison? But prosecutor Jonathan Kwan countered that there is a difference. One, Agababa is accused of aggravated murder, while Torre is accused of just murder. Aggravated murder carries a heavier punishment if found guilty. Two, Torre was able to put up collateral for his release, property worth $165,000, which serves as bond. Agababa has no bond or bail to offer, just his word that he would not violate the conditions of his release if it were granted. On that note, Vandeveld said while that may be true, the bond officer Torre put up is not liquid. There is no actual cash in the possession of the Superior Court. 3 third-party custodians also testified in court today to their commitment that, should the judge grant Agababa's request, they would immediately contact police if Agababa violated the judge's order. But in the end, Judge Arthur Barcenas denied Agababa's request. Judge Barcenas noted that Agababa is too much of a flight risk given his dual citizenship in another country and the fact that his passports have not been turned in to court. Vandeveld informed Judge Barcenas that there are no passports to turn into the court because Agababa already surrendered them to Guam police. Judge Barcenas was not satisfied with that answer, pointing out that the defense has not shown any proof of that.
Agababa's next hearing is scheduled for August 18, and jury selection is slated for August 26. This is the second time that Agababa will be facing trial. His first trial was vacated because of a hung jury.